When you talk about a cherry, I think of a coffee cherry. Really ripe, really red, really juicy. If you grow it in the shade, you get more flavors and more aromatic compounds. Brings out the labor of many, many hands together, which just makes for a rich, beautiful cup of coffee. When we started the farm, we really didn't catch a break. Dealing with hurricanes is an ongoing problem. We thought we were not gonna continue on. But no matter how rough and how bad it got, we knew to be a generational farmer, we needed to be climate smart.
The Partnerships for Climate-Smart Commodities program is changing coffee in Puerto Rico. We think that the 20 climate-smart practices that we're promoting, such as planting shade trees, wind barriers, cover crops, all these things that help sequester carbon, it will also reduce the costs to the farmers, increase their revenues, as well as open new markets for Puerto Rican coffee.
It's a little windy now, so we can have an idea of what this will provide for us in the future. So these trees are about a month old, and when they get up to 2 or 3 years old, we'll be protecting and creating that wind barrier for our coffee trees. The way we see the future is that we come together and we want to produce a better cup of coffee with climate smart practices for the next generation. That baton will be in safe hands, I feel, and we'll have specialty coffee from Puerto Rico for years to come.